The name of the film is One Royal Holiday. The swing position in film, you go in, you work an opposite schedule from the rest of the crew, and you go in and get all the sets set up so that way they can come in and film each day. We've got a Christmas barn. That was a lot of fun. We've got an inn. There's 2 different ballrooms. It's a lot of Christmas trees. I think it was like on like second or third day, and our set decorator, she was like trying to make some bows for this film. I was like, oh, give it to me real quick. I just like whipped one out, and she was like, oh, how'd you do that? And I had done floriculture in high school with the FFA, so I was able to like knock out 5-10 bows like in 20 minutes. One of my favorite things to do when I was like in film school was like leading like class discussions and seminars and stuff. I heard about the program at State and with the masters. I was like, that's great. And then, I can still be a teacher and also have time to work in the film industry as well. One of the reasons why I wanted to get into education was I would love to be able to create like educational TV series. So something kind of like Bill Nye the Science Guy, but for a modern generation. One Royal Holiday premieres on Halloween night at 8/7 Central on Hallmark. It's got a good like star-packed cast. The plot's really cool. The setting's really neat. Set design is really good. They did a great job with that. And I worked on it, so.